Embark on a journey to revitalize your refrigerator with the Garsoo W11368751. W11697465 Refrigerator Crisper Drawer Cover Assembly. This remarkable assembly is more than just a replacement part. It is the cornerstone of your refrigerator's internal landscape, a stage upon which fresh produce takes its bow. It stands as a testament to seamless compatibility, fitting a wide array of models from esteemed brands like Whirlpool, Maytag, and Ikea. Its presence is a quiet promise of freshness, a subtle guardian that maintains the perfect microclimate for your fruits and vegetables. As a master key unlocking the potential of your crisper, this Whirlpool Crisper Drawer Assembly replaces several older parts, including the W10905531 and W10904001 shelf frames, as well as the W1140498890 glass shelf, thereby simplifying the task of repair and restoration. Indeed, it's the very heart of your produce preservation system, a new lens through which to view your refrigerator's capacity. This crisper drawer cover assembly is a symphony of design and function, a marriage of sturdy engineering and delicate preservation. The frame, a robust scaffold, provides unwavering support, while the glass shelf, a clear pane of crystal, offers both a view and a barrier. Together, they create a sanctuary for your greens and berries, a protected haven that keeps them crisp and vibrant for longer. For instance, imagine your leafy greens no longer wilting in a matter of days. Are your berries remaining plump and juicy? Consequently, this assembly acts as a time capsule, slowing down the inevitable march of decay. Furthermore, its installation is a breeze, a straightforward process that anyone can undertake, ultimately restoring the integrity and efficiency of their appliance. In fact, this Whirlpool Crisper Drawer Assembly is a vital organ for any refrigerator, ensuring that every piece of produce is given the royal treatment it deserves. In essence, the Garsoo W11368751, W11697465 Refrigerator Crisper Drawer Cover Assembly is a breath of fresh air for your refrigerator's interior. It is the missing puzzle piece that restores order and function, and it's a small investment that yields significant returns in freshness and food waste reduction. However, its value transcends mere utility. It also represents a commitment to maintaining the appliances that service daily, a quiet act of stewardship. Therefore, by replacing a worn or broken part with this assembly, you're not just fixing a refrigerator, you're also renewing its purpose and extending its life. Ultimately, this durable and well-crafted Whirlpool Crisper Drawer Assembly is more than a part. It's a promise of a better, fresher, and more organized kitchen. Pros: great price, exactly the same quality, functions exactly the same, fast delivery, great fit. And price: fit my Whirlpool fridge perfectly, looks brand new now, way cheaper than Whirlpool. Fit my Maytag perfectly. Cons: measurements are slightly off, edges had different colored plastic, did not fit as claimed. Features: replaces several part numbers, easy to install, durable construction, crisper drawer cover. Fits many refrigerator models, shelf frame and glass shelf, Garsoo brand, W11368751 part number. The Garsoo W11368751 Refrigerator Crisper Drawer Cover Assembly, which also goes by the part number W11697465, is a durable and easy to install replacement part. It's compatible with a wide range of refrigerator brands, including Whirlpool, Maytag, and Ikea. This assembly includes both the shelf frame and the glass shelf, replacing several part numbers such as W10905531, W10904001, and W11449890. The Garsoo W11368751, W11697465 refrigerator crisper drawer cover assembly is a budget-friendly replacement part. Compatible with Whirlpool, Maytag, and Ikea refrigerators. Replacing several OEM part numbers. Customers report that it offers great value, fitting their Whirlpool and Maytag fridges perfectly and making them look brand new. While being significantly cheaper than the official Whirlpool part, the quality and function are described as being exactly the same as the original. And delivery is noted as being fast. However, some users experienced issues with the fit, noting that the measurements were slightly off for their Maytag fridge, and that the edges had different colored plastic, with one customer stating it did not fit as claimed.